Hello, this is Kyle from GlobeOfGeek.com. This is GoG's Guide to Echo PHP. So as you can see in the main GOG PHP project folder, I've created a new file called echo.php. So I'd like if you would do that also. And inside the echo.php file, we have our basic PHP tags. And we're going to discuss what echo is. Now, in an advanced terms, echo is a PHP language construct used to display string data to the user's browser. But I'm sure that you do not want to hear a big mouthful of Java or whatever that was, but that's the raw definition. So I'm going to explain step by step exactly what echo does so you can understand it, right? Well, echo comes in three main parts. You start off with the keyword, which is echo. Who would have thought, right? And echo is just, it's the main thing you need to have if you're wanting to put text on the browser. Next thing, you're going to put two double quotes, just like this, simple as that, and inside here is going to be your main text. Now, following PHP conventions, or any programming language really, they start off with hello world, because this is just, it's your program saying hello to the world. It's just people have adapted to doing this. It works out nice, it looks cool, right? And your third part, after you've put your text and the echo, you're going to end with a semicolon. This is one of the most important parts. Any PHP command that's being executed has to have a semicolon at the end. Stuff like this, however, you don't need a semicolon at the end of your tags or whatever, but for something like executing the echo command, you need to have tags. You need to have a semicolon, pardon. So after that, you're going to go to your project folder on localhost /gogphp, and you should have echo.php there. You're going to click that, and once you open that up, you see there's hello world. It's now put on your browser. Now just to show you, echo is a very non-picky thing. You could put single quotes perhaps, like this. You put single quotes. Let's go take a look and just see if everything worked out. There you go. Nothing's changed in the slightest. And also, if you were to do even brackets, you can do this because, as I mentioned in my quick definition, echo's a language construct. It's actually a function technically, but you may not know what that is yet. So let's ignore the advanced stuff. I'm just throwing it out there so you'll recall it later on. For default reasons, however, we're going to stick with double quotes because it's the way that works best in most cases. There's a lot of detailed stuff behind the scenes to why you can use different methods of writing it, but we're going to stay with the just self-explanatory, easy way. So you have echo, double quotes on each side with your text in there and your ending semicolon to show you finished your command. I'm just going to show you quickly what would happen if you didn't put that. You'd press enter. That's odd. You would have thought I probably didn't save, right? Echo hello world. Why would that not work? Let me try this. Here. Echo. Oh yeah, here's the problem. Hey, we're gonna put another line, right? You'd press save, and then up here you'd put hello world. Hey appears, right? But if you remove the semicolon there, and you were to try it again, it will issue an error, or it should. Oh, thank goodness. Parse error unexpected T echo. See, it's expecting a semicolon. That's because on your last command, you're missing a semicolon, so it didn't expect you to start another one. It's saying, well, what the heck's your problem? You didn't end this, and now all of a sudden you're trying to tell me to do something else? Like, hold up there, buddy. Alright? So, that's all you need to know. If you ever have an error like that come up, check the line that it displays. PHP has those nice little error messages that'll direct you right to